Kids learning English.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Time to wake up.
Time to wake up.
I am brushing my teeth.
I am brushing my teeth.
I want breakfast.
I want breakfast.
I love egg.
I love egg.
Can I have some milk?
Can I have some milk?
Let's clean the room.
Let's clean the room.
I'm getting dressed.
I'm getting dressed.
I need help, please.
I need help, please.
It's time for school.
It's time for school.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, teacher.
May I come in?
May I come in?
Yes, please come.
Yes, please come.
I have done my homework.
I have done my homework.
I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
I like this subject.
I like this subject.
What page are we on?
What page are we on?
I need a pencil.
I need a pencil.
May I go to the washroom?
May I go to the washroom?
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.
Let's play together.
Let's play together.
I like your toy.
I like your toy.
What's your name?
My name is Mehidi.
You are my best friend.
You are my best friend.
Don't be sad.
Don't be sad.
That's funny.
That's funny.
Let's share.
Let's share.
Be careful.
Be careful.
Sorry, it was a mistake.
Sorry, it was a mistake.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
What's for lunch?
What's for lunch?
I love pizza.
I love pizza.
Please pass the water.
Please pass the water.
I'm full.
I'm full.
May I have more?
May I have more?
I don't like this.
I don't like this.
Yummy, it's tasty.
Yummy, It's tasty.
Let's eat together.
Let's eat together.
Don't talk with your mouth full.
Don't talk with your mouth full.
I'm tired.
I'm tired.
Let's read a story.
Let's read a story.
Good night.
Good night.
Sweet dreams.
Sweet dreams.
I had fun today.
I had fun today.
Love you, Mom/Dad.
I love you, Mom/Dad.
I want to sleep now.
I want to sleep now.
Don't forget to brush your teeth.
Don't forget to brush your teeth.
Turn off the light, please.
Turn off the light, please.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Thank you
For watching the video.